Kenpo politics. Today I'm going to talk about a dedicated servant of the people. I was privileged yesterday to watch TV and saw a honorable member of parliament being interviewed by his bosses. That was the Kiambu governor, his Honorable Kimani Wamatangi. I decided to sit down and see how the interview was going. He was a real humble servant to his bosses. And the bosses were doing their assessment. I liked the way everything was presented. He did not just sit there and answer. He had video clips to show what he's done for the people. The other time I used to see on TV announcements about what he has done in the school sector, in his zone. Very many things. I thought those were the only things. But to my surprise, yesterday when I sat and watched, I really realized, hey, people of Kiambu, you know how to choose. You chose a servant. What he has done within that short time, that is what we call servant leadership. Somebody who makes sure that the place he is in, by the time he's finishing the first term, there is a marked difference. The things that were explained surprised me. Within this short time, a servant of the Kiambu people has achieved that. It was wonderful. I looked at his record and the way the people were asking him and the way he was answering, and I envied the Kiambu people. You know how to choose. You chose. But why am I talking about this think tank of Kiambu, Wamatangi? We elected people around the country. I was able to give you the other time when I was telling you what I thought of the bottom-up economy. I was able to give you in my place now where I'm staying in Bungoma. I was able to give you the development that has been done when I was talking about bottom-up. That's why I'm not coming to Bungoma, because first I started with here, and you saw and you heard and we learned more together about my understanding of the bottom-up thing. But this one was what left me wondering. I've heard the president and other leaders talking of asking for people's work, and other politicians. This is a time for competition. What have you done? I don't know. If I were in that place, I would rate that person highly. I think even the people who are there rated him highly. But from a far distance from here, I saw a dedicated servant of the people of Kenpo. This is something that in our zones now, we are going for election period. Why don't you check and rate your leader or the servant who is giving you the leadership? Can he be able to hold a candle to this one? Because if that happens, then we shall not ever complain of lack of development in our areas. This is a leader that we should, other leaders who have seen, I'm not saying they have not worked, they have worked. I gave you the records of this place, the market and whatever and all those things. But I'm talking now of that one. This is an example of what gauging somebody according to the work done can be done. He is a worker. I'm not flattering him because some people would say that some people would like to flatter others, but I saw what he presented to his bosses, listened, and was amazed. Just to tell you, people of Kiambu, I envy you. You know how to choose. That is my take for now.